The Manser team specializes in enhancing luxury cars like the Bugatti Veyron. They believe that regardless of future advancements, there will always be interesting custom tuning. For instance, Manser recently unveiled this concept. This flying hypercar draws inspiration from iconic vehicles such as the Ferrari F50 and the Pagani Huayra, boasting plenty of carbon fiber and advanced aerodynamic features. While features like autopilot, remote control, and smart navigators are impressive, there's something special about manually controlling such a beauty that technology can't match.